variables and the difference between what's called a global variable and a local variable. I'll see if I can do this fairly quickly for y'all. If we go into actions, we want to create a variable on the main timeline action script. And let's just make a variable called global. And call it a string, and let's give it a name, give it something string variable there. Okay. And let's just trace it so we can see it. And let's see if the program will run. Yes, it does. String variable. Let's change that to global. Duh. All right. Now we're going to make a little listener. We need a button on the stage. Let's just make a function. See if that works. No errors. Okay, good. This is called local variable. We'll assign it the name local. Let's trace that. Okay, you notice it did not show it because we don't have a call to it. So let's make a call to it. Just go local. Oops, it would be nice if I know how to do my functions correctly, wouldn't it? Call the local function. Now let's see if this will work. There we go. You'll see that now it calls the local variable and the global variable. Now watch. What I'm going to try to do is in here I am going to try to trace the global variable. No laughing at my not spelling. Let's see if this will work now. And it did. The local variable is called and the global variable. Now the test is a local variable outside block. So now we do a trace. Just copy. Considering how badly I type and spell. Call it outside. And And let's see what happens. First, let's see if it'll even read it. Oh, I don't get an error, but let's see if it'll work it. Yeah, my spelling's all wrong again on everything. Let's go see what the block. Okay, now that worked because it was the global, but let's see, let's change it over to the local variable here now. Let's see if it'll even let me compile it. Oh, it did. Access to undefined property local. Access to undefined property local. So this proves to us that in our code that the local variable lives fine, is created right here inside the block, right here, and it dies right here at the end of the block. But it also proved that the variable that was created on the timeline outside, on the main stage timeline, that it's all is, but on the main part of the program, is available inside here. So the global can be reached from inside any functions, whereas a local can't be reached outside of its block or function. Any question? This will be up there for you to review if you like at any time. Thank you.